Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me, so let's get to it. First, I'm spraying some rose water on my face, and then I'm going to be applying my Clarins under eye cream. Then I'm going in with my Just Nutritive anti-aging lotion, which I love so much. Now I'm going to spray my face with my Gerard Cosmetics Mystified Spray. And I'm going to start off by using this Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using the brown shade, and I'm going to be smudging that on my bottom lash line as an eyeliner. Now I'm going in with this brown pencil from Jante Blue, and I lined my waterline, and I'm also just smearing it across my upper lash line. And then I'm going to smudge it a little bit, and then I'm also going to go in with a felt tip liquid liner and just kind of draw over that. And then I'm going to use my Wet n Wild liquid liner to create the wings. Now I'm going in with my favorite almond oil from Simply Earth. This is the best almond oil ever. And now I'm gonna use some of this Benefit, I forget what it's called, but it's under eye concealer. I actually forgot that I had it, and I found it in my drawer, and I was like, oh, let me try this out for fun. So the foundation I'm going to be applying is the No Filter Stick Foundation from ColourPop. I actually really love this foundation. I think it works really well, and I've been using it ever since I got it. I'm also using this contour palette from Measurable Difference. I'm not really trying to contour my face, I'm just trying to add some color because it's winter time and I'm ghostly white and I want to look tan. I'm also going in with my ColourPop concealer and just putting it wherever I feel like it, where I want some extra coverage and brightness and all that fun stuff. Now I'm going over all of those spots that I just used the cream contour shade, and I'm using my GIS Cosmetics bronzer. This is one of my favoriteest bronzers. I think it looks so good, girl. And I'm just blending it out. Now I'm applying my new blush in the shade Noodle from ColourPop Cosmetics. So off camera, I'm going to do my brows with my Anastasia Dip pomade, and I'm also going to do my eyelashes with my Lancome mascara. I'm also baking some areas with my ColourPop No Filter powder, and then I'm just going to blend that all out. And afterwards, I spray my face with my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Spray in Watermelon. Now I'm going in with my favorite highlighter from the Deck of Scarlet palette. Well, one of their palettes, I forget which number it is, but I love this highlighter. It works really good. I'm just going to apply it to my nose, the top of my cheekbones, above my eyebrows. I'm also going to go in with my finger and add some underneath my eyebrow for some extra highlight there. Off camera, I blow dried my hair. And now I'm just smoothing it down with my hands, and then I'm going to put on my favorite earrings, girl. These little diamond hoops. Yes, girl, looks good. I'm going to finish this off with my new lipstick that my mom got me, that matte Color Stay lipstick. I forget what shade it is, but I forget what the lipstick's even called too. I'm not on point today with this voiceover, but I showed it in my haul of the video of all the stuff my mom got me. So yeah, this lipstick's pretty cool. It stays on forever and I love the color. So now I'm going to be showing you guys my new purse. This is my Betsy Johnson that my mom got me a while back. But now I'm going to be switching over to my new Melie Bianco Los Angeles purse. So they sent this little pouch. It came in there, a little bag. But this purse is eco-friendly, cruelty-free, sweatshop-free. And it is called the Stalking Gia in black. And these are also like certified vegan, so anyone who's into cruelty-free and vegan stuff, you guys will love this line. This bag has been handcrafted with love from luxury vegan leather, so it's not real leather, don't worry. So I'm going to be taking things out of my other purse and putting it in my new purse. I'm going to put my mirror in there, of course my phone, some perfume from Scentbird. I always gotta have perfume with me. I'm also putting in some gum because, you know, sometimes you need some gum. And all my little cards here, I don't even know what they are, but they're going in there also. And my Slay All Day setting spray, the mini size from Gerard Cosmetics. And I always like to carry a pen with me. So this purse has like 3 different slots. It's got 2 sides and then a middle part with a zipper. And the little metal clasp just clasps closed like that. So you can wear this 2 different ways. You can wear it as a crossbody as I'm showing here. I love crossbodies because they're easy to wear and you don't have to worry about them hanging off your shoulder. You just throw them on and go. But this also came with an extra strap, which I'm going to be showing you. And you can actually wear this purse also as a belt bag. It's got the detachable shoulder strap and the belt included. And I'll show you how to put that on. You just put the belt through the back slots here. And then you put it on like a belt. So now I'm just showing you how you wear it as a belt bag, and I'm also going to do a little shake for you to show you that it stays put and it doesn't fall off. So this purse is actually a limited edition collaboration. It's called Stalking Gia, and this season they collaborated with the NYC based singer-songwriter Stalking Gia to bring you a bag as unique as her music. I really like this purse. I like the look of it. I like that I can wear it 2 different ways and that the straps are removable. But I do feel like the purse was kind of stiff, but maybe I can break it in a little bit. But it seems to fit a pretty good amount of stuff. I could actually have put more in there, but I just didn't. But yeah, so this purse is pretty cool. I think it's really nice and it looks good. And I'm taking off the strap now to show you. You can put your crossbody straps back on, and they're also adjustable, so you can wear it shorter or longer, whatever makes you feel good. Also, side note, I received this purse complimentary for a review from Octoly. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me some comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you next time. Bye!